Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 419 different strategies, with 132 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 318 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,051 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, the TradingView indicator that catches buy and sell like a pro, 100% winning. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, I'll tell you right now, it's not going to be 100% winning. No strategy, no indicator wins 100% of the time. Every single one eventually takes a losing trade. But we will put the strategy to the test to see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the RSI True Swings indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and jump into the settings, and you're going to modify the upper threshold and change that to 59, and the lower threshold you're going to change that to 41, and everything else stays on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Delta RSI oscillator, and it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen and jump into the settings of this one as well. And what you'll do is under the RSI length, you'll change that to 10. The polynomial order, you're going to change that to 5, and the frame length you're going to change that to 23, and everything else, actually these colors right here, so color 0 and color 1, change those to both the same color green. Color 2 and color 3, change those both to the same color red, and then click OK. And now everything should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for a buy tag like this here from the RSI True Swings indicator. When we get a buy tag like that there, then we're going to look down to the Delta RSI, and we want it to have a green bar like this here. And so once those two line up and the buy signal here, you also want the candlestick to have a green bar on the buy signal, buy tag, and the green bar there. And then that will be the signal to enter into a long. You're going to put your trade right here. You're going to put your stop just right below this pivot area here, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like that right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we get a little bit of a push, a pull back, and then a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is a sell tag like this right here from the True Swings indicator. We're then going to look down to the Delta RSI. We want it to have a red bar like this here. And then lastly, we want the candle right here to also be red. Once all those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot here and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. A nice steady climb to the downside gets us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,200 for an overall gain of $2,000 altogether. So, not too horrible of a strategy. Wasn't amazing and definitely not 100% winning. And I'm not sure it's quite trading like a pro, but, at least it wasn't a losing indicator, or losing strategy, I guess I should say. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 41 trades altogether. We had 32 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $8,400. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would increase the win rate significantly. Your total gain would have been closer to the $19,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we are still at the 45th winning trade in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now for you to take a look at. That's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. Again, that's 45 winning trades in a row, 100% win rate, closing in on 3 months now. And so it's a very powerful combination. In backtesting, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord for free and look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.